know what to call today.
Is this a competition?
It's a messy, messy situation.
This is hard. A marathon. We are running a marathon today.
At every stage where one can add butter, I am going to add butter.
Hello, Vaughn.
Hello, Eric.
Hello, Priya. Here's $100 for you to make Thanksgiving dinner. I will be very curious to see if I can do all of that for under $100.
Should we get to it?
We're gonna learn a lot about this dish. That really brought me back somewhere.
We're testing pre-prepared pie crusts.
Take from this an informed decision how you're gonna make your mashed potatoes this Thanksgiving.
This is going to become your new go-to recipe.
You like number 2, right? You're a Pillsbury.
No, yeah, I'm a Pillsbury
You're a Pillsbury
girl.
girl. You like?
We're 3 hours out.
Our guests are coming in 2 hours.
I sort of like went a little rogue. I'm so excited to cut the pies.
I feel like that's a good philosophy of life. Take your buttery moments, savor them.
Happy Thanksgiving!
I'm actually very happy with this.
It's delicious, Priya.